Processor. Processor is a device which processes something. For example, if a man is walking, that means a man is a processor. Or a man is doing some work, then the man is called processor. So now I am going to take about microprocessor. Micro means small. So microprocessor means it is a small processor used for processing. The microprocessor consists of arithmetic logic unit, control unit, interrupt unit, and some registers to store data. Each does not have its own memory, and it also having the clock pulses. First of all, we go to the block, that is arithmetic logic unit. The arithmetic logic unit, which is the main processing unit of the processor, that all the arithmetic and logic operations are done here. Near to the arithmetic logic unit, there is an accumulator. The accumulator, which receives data from the memory and send the data for processing to arithmetic logic unit. The arithmetic logic unit process the data and send the result to accumulator. Then from the accumulator, the data is sent to the memory. And near to arithmetic and logic unit, there is a flag register. Flag register means, for example, why we are hoisting the flag during the Independence Day? Because the hoisting the flag is a indication of which that the country get independence. So the flag register here, why we use means it indicate the result of the processed data. The result means whether the result is 0 or not, odd parity or even parity, whether it having auxiliary carry or carry. These all indications are shown in flag register. Then we go to interrupt block. In interrupt block, there are 4 interrupts, that is trap, RST 7.5, RST 6.5 and RST 5.5. Including the interrupts, there are 2 another interrupt pins, that are INTR and INTA bar. The INTA bar is used for external interrupts, and in these interrupts, trap having the higher priority comparing to other interrupts. Then we come to block, that is timing and control block. In this block, there are ready pin. In this, the ready pin which is used by the microprocessor, that saying that I am ready, that is microprocessor is ready for processing. And there are 2 clock pins, that is clock in and clock out. Clock in means the clock which is given to the microprocessor, and clock out means the microprocessor give the clock pulse to the interfaced devices, and there are another pin that is status pins that are S0 and S1. Based on the inputs given to S0 and S1, there are 4 processes, that is instruction fetch, data read bar write in input output, data read bar write in memory, and halt state. Then there are some other pins, that is hold and HLDA. The hold and HLD come under direct memory access. The hold, which is the signal given by a memory to microprocessor, that is the memory is going to do direct memory access processing with microprocessor, and HLDA, which is sent by the microprocessor to the memory, that is acknowledgement given from microprocessor to memory that I am ready for DMA processing. Then we go for the resistors, that is there are A, B resistor, C resistor, D resistor, E resistor, H resistor and L resistor. The H and L resistor, which is used for storing the lower address data byte, and H resistor is used for storing the higher address data byte. And there is stack pointer, then increment decrement counter. Within that there is another 2 registers, that are instruction decoder and instruction register. The instruction register is used to store the instruction for particular processing, and instruction decoder is used for decoding the instruction. Then there are some other pins used are data buffer and address buffer resistor. That is, data buffer resistor is used to send or receive the data, and address buffer data is used to send the address to microprocessor and receive address to microprocessor and send address to other interfaced devices. Thank you. Processor is a